Hey Fox, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. For today's very special video, I'm gonna teach you how to increase text size that appears throughout your windows and as well as applications. So let's get started. First is you need to search for settings at the bottom search bar. Please type settings, and the moment you type that, the best match will appear. Just have to double tap to open it. Okay? So once you are being redirected to the settings, let's just wait for a while, okay? Just go to the left side of your screen. As you can see here, it has a list of options. You can see here accessibility next to gaming. In this manner, we'll be going to accessibility. Okay. Once you click that, you can see here under vision, it has a lot of options. In our case, since we'll be increasing the size of our text size, then we'll be going to the first option, which contains text size that appears throughout windows and your applications. You just have to click that, and the moment you click that, you can see here text size, and aligning with that is this one. Here, you can manually increase the text size that you prefer to. And you can also make it larger and you can also decrease it. Okay? So once you're satisfied with the text size, now you're good to go. Okay? So hopefully you learned something in this very short tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.